Hello everyone. I am back with a super awesome, super exciting unboxing. Today I am unboxing a package from Tokyo Pen Shop, and this will be part one. I have another package coming in that has not arrived yet, and so that will be coming as part two. So Tokyo Pen Shop, in my last, maybe it wasn't last video, a couple videos ago, I talked about someone mentioning that there are fine tip pens that we don't get here in the United States, but you can get in Japan. So the owners of Tokyo Pen Shop have brought those pens to us so that we can actually purchase them and do so in the United States, even though they have come from Japan. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I ended up ordering. I messaged with some of the people from Tokyo Pen Shop, and they are the friendliest people. So I do want to start by saying that. If you have any questions or any of that, they were so helpful. All right, I'm just gonna have to like tear into this thing. Oh my gosh, I'm like already so excited. Okay, I'll just let you kind of peek in, see all those goodies. I won't be swatching pens today. As you guys know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I like to do face unboxings and things like that so that you can actually see my expression. And I love those types of videos anyways. So that's why I do it. Okay. Yes, I tend to smell everything. Okay, we're going to start with this because I know what this is. Look at this cute washi tape. Okay, I'm totally going to be keeping the washi tape and putting it in my passion planner because I like to keep memories like that. I may even add some to my Boystrom morning journal. Okay, so cute. I do like the washi. Little blue hearts, and they look somewhat watercolor-ish. Isn't that adorable? I should have my diffuser going right now, but I was too excited. I had to come up here and do this unboxing. Okay, I promise you guys I won't take forever with every little thing. All right, so the first thing I got is a Milu, I think you pronounce it Milu, pen case. Now, they have a bunch of different sizes. This feels so buttery soft, and that's one of the things that attracted me to this specific pen case. I guess it's technically, you can also use it as like a cosmetic case, but I have some Tombow markers, and I've had a hard time with them fitting in pen cases. So I wanted to get this because I saw Kimberly do a video, one of her videos about, I'll try to find it and link it below, where she had this and another size. And I think she actually used a Tombow marker and showed the difference between how it fit. I like my pen bags, when I reach in, I want all the pens to kind of be able to like move around. And I couldn't do that with the pen case that I currently have. Now, this, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? The inside of that. There's also a zipper pocket, which I will probably put my ink pen refills, the pen refills in there. It's just so beautiful. I love the leather. And as you can see, I'm kind of addicted to this like wine red color. I think this is the rose on the site, but so excited. I'm going to Italy in 4 months, and I will be bringing this with my pens and essential oils. All of my HSP Anxious Traveler tools inside. So excited about that. Love that. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, now comes the pens. And thank you so much, Heather. Okay. Let's see. Just make sure there's nothing else I'm missing. All right. I kind of like that they send you your pens or pencils in one of their boxes. There's another piece of washi. Okay. Let's open this baby up. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, every order that you get, every order you place. Oh, wow. There's some extra stickers. I knew you got a sticker when you ordered. With every order you place, you get a sticker. And I was hoping this one would be in there because I love this sticker. Isn't that amazing? I've seen some unboxings on YouTube and they included the sticker. I think this is their 10-year anniversary sticker. And it's so cute. And then they also sent some of their logo stickers. How sweet of them. I didn't realize I was getting more than one. And then this is Kimberly's card. So sweet. And look at that. I love the look of her card. And then this is like a little clip. That's pretty awesome. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Let's dive in. I'm just going to pull the first thing out. Okay, let me preface this by, I've never ordered from them before, and I know they have like a starter kit. They have like a beginner's kit, an intermediate kit, but I kind of wanted to make my own kit because there were certain things I knew I wanted after watching YouTube videos and watching Kimberly. And so I basically created my own little kit. So instead of like I picked the pen case that I wanted, I picked the specific pens, and let's see, I got 6 pens, and I believe I got 2. I'm just gonna dump them all out. 2 refills. Yes. Okay. There's another sticker that just came out. I'm so excited about all the stickers. And I forgot to mention, every order that you place comes with a Haichu candy. This is mango. All right. So I specifically ordered certain pens pens and markers and highlighters, all of that I was interested in trying. I ordered the Uniball Signo DX 0.38 in Bordeaux Black. As you can see, I have a little bit of a Bordeaux love right now, or you can call it Cabernet or Merlot, this wine color. So I'm excited about this. This is, Kimberly mentioned how this is like her favorite ink, or was, like she was obsessed with it. So I'm excited to try that color out. I also picked up the Tombow Play Color Dot, one of those. And I love that you can order just one. You don't have to order an entire set, because like I know that this comes in a larger set, but I wanted to try one first. And I debated getting a set of these Play Color Dots, but once again, I wanted to try it to see if I liked it. I love that it's like a stamp. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp something. Make sure my address isn't anywhere. So it like stamps a dot. And for those of you who have followed me for a while, you know that I love to use the yearly in planners, how it has like the year at a glance. I love to use that as a place to track my wild, sexy bedroom life. And currently I've been like circling dates, and this will be super cool because I can like go in and put dots on those dates, because who doesn't want a wild, sexy life with their, you know, person. It also has like, it looks like it's fine. Yeah, it's like a fine tip. Sure, I'm not going to show dates. It's like a fine marker tip. So I'm excited to play with that. What else did I get? Oh, I got the, I think it's violet. Does it say on here? I got the Friction Fine Liner. I think this is violet or purple. I'm obsessed with the Friction line. So I have the friction, I have like all the friction pens, and I have the friction color markers, friction play, I don't know exactly what they're called. I think it's friction color markers, and I love them. And this one is actually fine. It's a very fine tip. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that on the camera, but I'm excited to try that out. And once again, you have the eraser, which I love. Okay, and then I think I got another, yep, here's another friction that I wanted to try. Oh my gosh, it is tiny. This is the Friction Ball Slim 038. And you can also get this in a pack, but I wanted to try the small barrel. So this is the slim. So excited about that. And it's got the little clicky, and I got the brown. I love brown ink. All right. So next, because of Kimberly's videos, I picked up the Sarasa Clip Vintage in blue gray ink. I discovered the whole reason that I have come to discover this whole Japanese pen world is because I got the Sarasa blue black, and I think I got it in 0.3, and I love it like so much. And so then I kind of went down the rabbit hole, and I'm excited to try this blue gray. I'm actually, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to cover up. Ooh, it's pretty. It's very pretty. I don't know how well the color is going to show up on the camera, but yay, I'm so excited. Okay, and then the last thing that I purchased is the Sarasa Select 3-barrel multi-pen. And I believe this is the, I can't, you know what, maybe she has it on there. I can't remember the exact color. Oh, here we go. All right, yes, so this is violet, for those interested. The pen case, the color is rose. This is the blue-green barrel, and with the blue-green barrel, as you can see, it does not come with any ink, so you could actually pick out and custom create your pen. So I ended up picking up a blue-black, the Sarasa Select blue-black, because you guys know that I just discovered that this was a thing, and I'm obsessed. I also got the blue because Kimberly had done a couple swatches, and she talks about loving the Sarasa Select blue. So I got blue, black, and blue, and I have a brown. But the brown's actually in my other pen case. I happened upon one, and I thought that it was going to fit something different, and it didn't. So I actually have that waiting. So this will carry my blue, black, my blue, and my brown, and I'm excited to try it. And I think it's pretty easy to actually fill. Let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and just put these two in here. Peel the little protector thingy. I don't know what it's actually called, but pull that off. And then you'll see on the inside, for those of you who have never actually used a multi-pen or filled one, you just put it wherever you want it. And let me think about this first. There's the green and then 2 whites. So I think I'm going to do, this one is, what color did I just put? This is blue black. I think I'm going to put that in the green slot. And it just clicks in. Super easy. Yay! I'm so excited. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and play with my pens and load my pen case up. And part 2 is coming. I will give you a hint at what it is. It is the, what does she call it? I ordered the stationery kit. It's like a secret stationery kit, and it is number 6. and I have no idea what's in it, but usually she fills it with some of their new items. Sometimes she throws in one of the limited edition. So I'm excited to see what things she has picked out for me to get to know. So thank you guys for being here with me, and that video is coming. Until next time.